we're gonna continue on cutting some stuff off of houses and try to work as hard as we can to get some stuff tarped. We've got a large crew. We got a bunch of equipment over here. We do have some other folks starting to come in from other areas that are gonna be able to help us out.
When I lie my head down, will I hear these voices in my head? And they say, keep on trucking, son, and you'll get near. Near a place where never rain, roads always I am just a rambling man.
I'd say once I get that down, you pull all that shit out so you can get down below the wall. You can stay down there, really. Keep pushing that shit that way. I didn't even know there was another tree on the house over there.